Hello, today we will make some liquid fertilizer. This name of fertilizer is Jadam. This Jadam fertilizer, this is starting there in the country of Korea. They discovered this liquid fertilizer known as Jadam. That is this Jadam is very easy because this you don't need others many nutrients only or other materials, only what is available in your area that you can use, like this grass. You take grass there, take grass, more grass, then pull your bucket, and then any grass, and mostly you can use any leaf materials that hand. And then after you take some if there is a jungle in your area, you take some leaf molds. This leaf molds, it is the some materials or any natural material that is already decomposed. And if you have no like this, maybe in your neighbor there is some they have some compost, you can ask them to give little or buy a little so that they can you add in your material there. And after that you pull of this material, you add only water. And then if you have some animal manure or any manure or cow manure, this chicken manure or goat manure, you can add to this. And then after that you will put of water. The water you must put is the maybe if you have rainwater, this is better because rainwater have no chemical, no chlorine. And also this the water comes from the lake or from the river, this is better. Or maybe if you have some fish pond, the fish pond water is also good. So this you will pour it in your mixture. And after that this you will cover and then put under the sun. This is different to other liquid fertilizer that we discussed before, that you will put in the cabinet or something that the sunshine will not coming. But this Jadam fertilizer is, the difference is that you will put direct under the sun, so that this will very fast to decompose. Oh, this grass and then this bacteria. Why we need this leaf mold from the forest, or if you have no forest in your area, or you can use compost, because in the compost this is compost of some microorganism and some beneficial bacteria, so that this beneficial bacteria will be multiply in this bucket very fast. And why we must to stay this under the sun? So this because this bad bacteria will be die also. Those if the bad bacteria is die, and then the beneficial bacteria will be multiply too fast. After this 2 weeks, this you can use this. And this when you open this bucket, you will see that there is more bubbles. So this bubble is means that there is the bacteria there is very live bacteria. So this you can take the Jadam water, this liquid fertilizer, and then you will dilute that in the one part to 10 parts of water. You will use also the water that's from the river or rainwater or any, and then this is so that this microorganism will be strong and will not die. Because you know, if you're using this tap water, you know the tap water, this have chlorine, and this chlorine, the purpose of chlorine in the water is to die this is to kill the bacteria, and the problem also the good bacteria will die. That's why this chlorine they are using in drinking water, so that if there is any E. coli and some other bacteria or virus, so it will die, so that we are very safe to drink this water. That's why in our tap water this have chlorine. So in this, when you're making better, you must to collect rain and then for using in your making of jadam fertilizer. And after that, this you can use that in direct in your plants. This better because if you are using of this jadam fertilizer in your garden, this your garden soil is will become the more the microorganism will be living there, and then your plants will be growing faster. You will not need to buy some fertilizer. This automatically your garden will be full of fertilizer. And if you always using this maybe every month you are putting of this jadam fertilizer, so maybe after this 1 year your garden is full of nutrient. No need to put some nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. No need, because this jadam is complete, and this your garden will automatically some nutrients will be complete that there in your soil. That's why this jadam fertilizer is good. In jadam fertilizer, you can use any material like this. The kitchen waste also you can use. And then mostly if your garden that you see that the plants here is not growing too fast, so you need this jadam fertilizer. And jadam fertilizer is free. This is the better. Free. You can have jadam fertilizer like this. If your garden is you see that your plants is growing like this, you see the leaves is very dark green, so it means that this soil have more microorganism here living. So if like this, so if you have some kitchen materials like this, you can directly put there. But in the other part of your garden, that if you see that the plants there is not growing faster, so the better is to make us jadam fertilizer. Anything that you have, if you have eggplant or some like this, melon, or some kamote or spinach, anything that you are available, cucumber, even the cucumber you can put also in your mixing fertilizer. And after that you will stand in only minimum of 2 weeks. Some gardener or some farmer, they stand only of 7 days, but for me better is to make 14 days minimum. And this Jasam also, after you taking this liquid fertilizer, then there's some solid materials you can then stand there, and then add again some another clippings, any materials that you can add, and put again of water, and after that you can use this again. Just standards it minimum of 2 weeks. And when you open your jadam after 14 days, there is a bad odor. This is normal. But if you like your jadam have no bad odor, if you have money, then buy molasses or sugar. You use as brown sugar, so that when you open this jadam fertilizer, there is no bad odor. That's why it's better to add also molasses. But if your house is very far in your neighbor, then no need to put this molasses. Just because this appear open is very after not 1 minute. And this only one time you will smell this, and after that's not, because this only when you open this, because you know this. That's why it's okay. And after that you have pre-fertilizer. See here, so because of there is a microorganism here, there is one baby melon here, and also here. Inshallah will be like this. And another here, there is another here. We are not buying of fertilizer there in the market, because I am using only fertilizer which is available here, like this liquid fertilizer. This only the fertilizer, so I'm not spending about some money for buying of fertilizer. And then we have also here like this because of this liquid fertilizer, we are saving. Yes, alhamdulillah, there is I see of ripe melon here. Alhamdulillah, this ripe melon. See, we have ripe melon. You see, like this happen when the climate is very hot. This will happen in the fruits, but this only the skin. But for the business, this is not good. But this is for consume only. This no problem, because you know, it's very hot season. That's why it's making like this. Alhamdulillah, we will harvest again this. Alhamdulillah. Now we have another melon. So anybody have there's also one fruits here. Ayun, number 1. Alhamdulillah. So like this, that's why this liquid fertilizer is important in our garden. And the benefits, it is free. So please don't forget, to the new viewer, please subscribe and like our video. Thank you very much. So don't forget to make a simple fertilizer, and this is very strong. Like in the jungle, the microorganism is continuously growing, and that and that thing we will make the same in our garden, as like what will happen in the jungle. That's why the trees and any shrubs there is very abundant. That is the reason for have of so many microorganisms. That's when, and this Jadam fertilizer is the best. Okay, thank you very much. Next time again.